What do we have here? We have here a 2015 CLS400. This is a nice one. I like this. Very sporty. I like the wing also. Nice carbon fiber. Nice wheels. Stagger setup. I like it. So what am I doing with this thing today? I am changing out the grill. Changing out the grill. Let's see here. Those are 20s. Yeah, 20 by, I think, 10 and a half in the back, 20 by 9 in the front. Very nice. So the hood is already propped open. Well, popped open. I need to raise it. But I have to access this. I had to remove the front bumper to access this grill to remove it and swap it out for another one. The other one that he wants to put on there is more like the Mercedes GT's grill, the one that has the vertical design. We are putting the illuminated grill that's currently in the OEM one into the new one. Also, it has a camera right here. Unfortunately, I do have to remove this whole bumper in order to get this thing done. I hate that, but it is what it is. I don't know, some cars you don't have to remove the whole bumper. Like this one, I switched the grill out on this SL55 and I did not have to remove the bumper, but this one I do. So here goes the grill. All right, so he's going with this one. And there's nothing wrong with the grill that he currently is using. It's nice, actually. I don't know what I would do. I don't know if I would switch it or keep it. This right here gives it a different look, like the look of the, like I said, the newer Mercedes GT grills, the AMGs. So that's what he's going for. All right. All right, so got to get busy. Got to get up underneath the car, raise it up so that I can access the 8mm bolts, screws. Got to get inside the wheel well, unclip the wheel liner out the way, and get the those star bit screws that's in there, keeping the bumper attached. And then you have to, I think there's some clips that run across the top that you have to access. That should unclip this front bumper. You got to remove something in order to get to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, man, and go through the process, and then I'll show the results when I'm done. So let's get to work. Okay, it is now done. The CLS400 now has a new GT style grill. Oh, it looks aggressive. I like the vertical grill. This is very nice, very nice, very nice. The owner stopped by, actually. He wanted to see how things were going, and I'm so glad he did because I needed an extra set of hands. Removing that old grill was very, very hard. Reason being is because there are about 50 clips, literally anywhere between 30 to 50 clips that you have to simultaneously relieve the pressure on, unclip and pull and tug and pull and tug and pry. Very difficult. So it's not for the novice unless you have a lot of patience. It really requires two people to do it. One person work one side, the other person work the other side. Yes, one person can't do it, but I'm very glad that he stopped by. Plus, somebody else's YouTube video, instructional video that he was watching showed a way of keeping back the tabs with pieces of like a credit card. You cut up about, you probably need about 30 of these little pieces of credit card that are cut up that you slide into the slot that prevents it from reclipping. You pry it back, slide a little piece in there. I would have shown you, but I would have recorded that part of the process, but it was very hard to do, and I was very frustrated. I was fortunate to only have lost 2 of these. Like I said, it's about 30 to 50 of these joints that you got to pry back and hold back in order to start popping these things out. This right here stays in place, and only the grill itself, these slots, disconnect. Now, of course, there was a plug for the light right here. I did have to drop the whole bumper in order to access it. The way that you disconnect the bumper, you can YouTube that and figure that part out. But yes, removing that grill was difficult, but it is done now. So I'm about to pull these cars out the way, pull this out, and he's on his way to come pick it up. But yeah, a substantial difference. I really like that GT front look. That's nice. Very nice. Very nice. So he'll be happy. He was happy when he left, when he saw me put it in. But the completed project with it all assembled and the hood closed, he hasn't seen this yet. He's going to be very impressed. There we go.